Hello everyone, welcome back to our Montreal vlog. We're starting off the day with a delicious cup of coffee at this really cute cafe. Our next stop is this amazing Chinese bakery that is known for their Napoleon cake. Here we're just clearing the bakery. I think we ended up buying about 5 to 6 Napoleon cakes, but one of the things that I didn't get to film that we did get was the Swiss rolls. I think the Swiss roll is by far top of my list of the best desserts I've ever had. As we were walking around the university, I can't help but be so mind blown by how beautiful this campus is. It definitely gives me some Hogwarts vibes, which I'm not mad about.
Okay.
We are currently hiking to this park. Honestly, it's been so nice in Montreal. It was actually supposed to rain the whole time we were here. It's hot today. And so I had to take off. I had to take off my blazer. I just want an iced tea. Yeah, an iced tea would be so nice right now. And then Billy's wearing all black, so
not one complaint from this guy.
yeah, we're dying, and we're the ones that like hate feeling cold. This is how hot it is. Since it was a long weekend, this park was bumping. Everyone brought their drums and was just chilling. It was such a cool experience to see everyone just vibing together. We legit spoke too soon. We got poured on, waiting for Billy to grab the car for us. Honestly, this moment was hilarious. These boys had a lemonade stand. Simultaneously, they dropped all the cups and then dropped all my change. Quite a gong show. I have a little bit of dirt probably in my lemonade from the cup on the ground. I guess for kids, it's a 5-second rule. Now it's time to hit up the famous smoked meat sandwich place in Montreal. And yes, the lines are as crazy as they say it is. The meat was really flavorful and tender. Since I'm typically not a sandwich lover, I'll give this about an 8 out of 10, but I'm happy that I tried it. Next stop on our Montreal food tour, we are trying out the Montreal bagels. We got the sesame and maple apple bagel, and to my personal preference, I really liked the maple apple. It had really great flavor and just a hint of sweetness from the maple. Our final stop is this chicken poutine place that is extremely popular. We waited almost an hour and a half. Since the restaurant was so busy, we decided to take our chicken poutine and eat it in the car.
Try a chorizo. Yours is so small. Take this place.
It's not spicy at all. Here, grab a chorizo. No, it's not.
Cheers. The cheese is really good. this girl does not have lactate. We have a 2-hour car ride back home.
The cheese is very good.
Right?
Good texture. It's actually somewhat chewy and squeaky.
Oh.
Nice.
You're right, the fries are...
They have integrity. They're not like just soggy. Yeah, this is actually probably one of the best ones I've had. The only thing that could make it better, I personally like my poutine with a bit of like peppercorn. But otherwise,
I thought you were gonna say noodles.
I like my poutine without the fries, but with some noodles. Without the gravy, but with some soup.
The cheese is very good.
Yeah. We're not very good at food review here. I feel like it's everything just, oh, it's good.
It is very good. What other comments can we make? The gravy is not that salty. The chicken is very mouillé. Yeah, everything's very well balanced. I feel like if you guys are saying poutine is good, it's probably pretty good because this is not your favorite thing.
No, it's actually very good.
Yeah. Okay, have just the pouilly. It's very mouillé.
New vocab, hey?
Oh no! Oh, it's okay, I'll pick it up later.
It's literally in between the seats. How do we pick it up? Oh my god.
It's fine. A good way to end. A good way to end the trip. Very generous with their chicken.